What's going on, YouTube? Here's your boy JM8686. Today I have two things for you. Number one, I need your help. Why do I need your help? You're wondering. Hey, what the heck is going on with that dummy? Okay, this is why. I have two cars. I need you to help me picking one. We're gonna do an engine swap or an engine rebuild. You let me know. All you have to do, drop a comment. Now, let's see what cars we have as an option. Car number one, BMW E46. Car number two, Mazda rx8, 2007. All you have to do, hey, help a brother out. Drop a comment, let me know what car do you want to see. What do you want to see me working on? You either want an engine swap or engine rebuild on a BMW E46, or you want me to rebuild a rotary 13B from a 2007 Mazda rx8. Either rebuild that engine or do an engine swap. Like I said, drop a comment below, leave it, and then so you can give me a little hand. Okay, thing number two. Okay, thing number two. As you guys can see, we're close to the 3,000 subscribers. What's going to happen when I hit the 3,000 subscribers? This is what's gonna happen. Once I reach 3,000 subscribers, I will be giving away 5 Visa gift cards. Yes, $20 each. You down there, you up there, you're the one poking your nose. You're the one going to the bathroom right now. You can be the lucky one. All you have to do, drop a comment below. Once I hit the 3,000 subscribers, you're gonna join a little raffle or whatever. You can be the lucky one. Hey, 23 bucks on your pocket. What else do you want? All you have to do, drop a comment too. I will picking up your username or whatever. Once I reach 3,000 subscribers, you're in. You're automatically in. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right there. All you have to do, subscribe, drop a comment. You can either leave a comment on this one, on my past videos, or on the future videos I'm already working on so I can upload it into YouTube. But yeah, two things. Engine swap, engine rebuild, BMW 46. Engine swap or engine rebuild, Mazda rx8, 2007. Hey, help me out. I have to decide. Should I go to BMW? Should I go to rx8? Let me know what you think. This was your boy JM8686. Thank you for watching this video. You don't have to give me a thumbs up. You can even leave a thumbs down. Do what you like. Stay tuned.